I've had the AC on now for about 5-10 minutes, and we're down to 94 degrees now, so it's a degree cooler, so that's good. Yeah. Hi explorers!
Greetings from our much more beautiful RV that we're super excited to share with you. This week we found our solution to the additional sleeping space that we so badly needed for our two little boys, Jonah and Jude. This was something that really kept us up at night. We had lots of conversations about, because we originally bought this RV and it was a dinette, and the people who had it right before us had actually taken that out and just put a super ugly chair there, which was not
One little lounger and a table, right?
Yeah.
That's what it was. And
that's not going to work for them to sleep in. So we really had to rack our brains of what to do in this small little space. And so we found what we believe is the perfect solution.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's functional. I love it. We were able to stick in the Scandinavian theme. But in order to get to that point, we had a lot of prep work to do. One of the things that I think is so important to note is we took off the paneling, the wood paneling, and what you see that's really trendy right now, which what you really wanted to do.
I did it. You know, looking online, I really did like that look to begin with.
A faux wood.
Yeah.
That really rustic faux wood. And to your defense, that can go with the Scandinavian theme that we've been going in. However, interior design 101 is you want to bring your eyes up to the highest point in a small space, especially a space that has low ceilings. So if you do that, your eyes are going to automatically go to that faux wood part, and it's going to break everything up and make everything look little and small and crammed, which is why we did not do it. So we were able to find some wood to go over it and paint it white. So to give you the illusion that everything is light and airy and much taller than it is.
So you're gonna help me today?
See you soon.
You gotta get your bedroom ready today. You gotta take down the cabinets and the slide out. Exactly. Good job, Julie! You are funny. Tell me when that light goes out, okay? Because I gotta pull some things out. Is it off?
No.
How about now?
Nope. Yeah.
Aha! This light is gotta go. We're gonna actually gonna switch it out with an RV light. But it's a flat now. It's kind of cool actually. LED flat now, 12 volt. It's gonna look a little bit like this. Because this is going into the ceiling and there is some insulation there, my electrical friend my electrical friend said that I should wrap some electrical tape around there too. Huzzah!
This is looking pretty fly. I hate that. No blue.
No, say that.
Much better.
We also removed all of the ugly trim that was on the outside of the slide out here. And I just bought some regular, I think it's maybe a 1/4 inch thick board, already prime white. And we're gonna go white. Because Morgan told me if we go white, it makes everything look big. So got the new sides up. Now begins the long task of priming. And it's about 85 degrees out. One coat of prime on the back, the bottom, the little side pieces. And already, it is looking much bigger. Morgan was right. That is the second prime coat. I think we're looking pretty good. I think we're ready for paint. Almost 3 o'clock in the morning, so I gotta go to bed soon. Let the paint dry last night. It looks so nice in the daytime. Look at that.
Just like the light, I want everything that you look at to be as high up as humanly possible so that your eyes go higher. So again, creating this optical illusion that it's taller and bigger than it is. So we found some really great, super simple rods and we put them all the way at the top. And for the curtains, we wanted to have some privacy, but we still wanted it to be sheer, light and airy, very Scandinavian. So we found the perfect curtains to go with it.
I will say,
I knew that was coming.
it does look, it makes it look much bigger. It really does. I just gotta put it together. Oh, and put it up, I guess. We spent so many hours.
Not even hours, days,
Probably
weeks,
was
and maybe
days.
even months.
We would be like texting back and forth like throughout the day if we saw something. We'd spend our nights talking about it. We'd spend our days searching for it on the internet.
The perfect bed.
The perfect bed that would be able to slide out, or some kind of pull-out bed. Not just that, it had to be comfortable. It had to fit a certain dimension in the slider because the slide out couldn't go more than, I think, it had to be under 40 because of the lip on the edge of the slide. Like, there were so many things that we had to keep in consideration when trying to find a solution.
We almost built one because this was such a headache.
We really did. But then,
the clouds parted.
I found the perfect solution, which I think is genius too. It was a pair of beds that stack on top of each other from IKEA. And the best part about this is they are super lightweight. The mattresses are very comfortable. And that was a big concern for us too. We wanted the kids to make sure, and then we're going to be in here a lot. Like
we didn't,
sleeping.
yeah, a lot of the different beds we were looking at
right.
were pull-outs, and the
Right.
mattresses didn't look very comfortable or very supportive, and we really, especially them growing, we want to make sure that they are able to get a good sleep and have their own space. And a trundle was also kind of a headache because that was something that we'd have to pull out further than the slide out, so that was also an issue because we didn't want them sleeping on a slant.
Right, and not just that, if we did find a trundle, and we found a trundle, and then we're like, well, there's a weight limit, so we couldn't all sit on it as a family if we wanted to just hang out on the couch.
Hardcore nightmare.
It was
However,
hardcore, but
we manifested our dream solution.
here's the secret right there.
This is so exciting. I'm so pumped to show you all the things that we are going to put in the kids area because it's like Christmas. We have so many new things and it's all going to come together so nicely in this awesome little Scandinavian space. So to start off with, we have our mattress protectors because super important with 2 little kids. You never know, accidents. I don't want us to be completely derailed because of a little accident, so these are super important. I don't want to have to look for a new mattress on the go. So 1 for each of them, and I'll put links in the description below for all of this. We're keeping it nice, light, and airy. And then they each super simple, just a white bed sheet set, just completely plain. I want to be able to bleach them if we have to, and I also want them to go with the light and airy Scandinavian feel. Super excited about those. It's like Christmas, I'm so excited. And then we got them each a comforter. So a down alternative, we love animals, so definitely alternative. Comforter for them each that will fit right on their little beds. And the cool thing about this is we also got duvet covers which I'm a huge fan of because I think that comforters and things of that nature should really be neutral, and then you can dress them up seasonally to completely change the appearance of all of your spaces if you just change the duvet cover. So I've always been a firm believer in that, and I'm excited to do that in this space. So I'm really excited to put on, to start with at least, we got plain white duvet covers. Super excited about that. I think it'll look great, keep it nice, light, and airy. And again, if we have to bleach it, we can, which probably will happen. And then this is what I am really looking forward to. This is just gonna kind of be cozy, cute. We can't bring a whole lot of stuff. I absolutely love accent blankets, and really in this space we can only have one, maybe two at a time because there's just not enough room for it. So I'm in love with this one. Also got this on Amazon, and it's gonna look so nice in here. It's gonna go with the natural theme of looking like fur, so totally stoked about that. So this, oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. This will just go nicely when we're using the bed set more as a couch. I think this will be just really nice to cozy up with. As far as additional blankets, if we need it if we're cold, we'll probably bring maybe one extra, and then one of the kids can actually use this if they're really cold at night, because we just don't have the storage. And I think that the comforters that we bought are going to be warm enough where we don't need to bring in abundance. And then, wait, there's more. We have this awesome basket, and this is going to be instrumental in this whole setup because when we stack the two beds, we're going to have to take the comforters and the actual pillows off and store them right here. So I'm really excited. We actually had this before. I got this at Home Goods. I've had this since when I first moved into our house that we just sold, and I think it goes really nicely with the natural materials, and we'll just have this right in the corner at all times for storage, for blankets, and we'll be able to take it all out each night so the kids have a place that they can go to grab their blankets and their pillows. What do you guys think? Is it cozy?
Turn into a bed.
Okay, we'll show you in a second, but get on the couch and check it out. See if you think it's cozy. So is this cozy enough for us to watch movies on and stuff?
Yeah, but we're all bed size.
This is part of it.
What do you mean? This
This is your bed.
No, it's a couch.
This is your bed.
What? What? What the heck happened?
Alright, so now give them both a pillow. Alright guys, relax. Sure, would you like
You've got your own bed.
to lay down, Jim?
I can't.
What do you guys think? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thank you so much for watching our renovation. We hope that you love it because we certainly do. We're really making tracks. If you've watched our other vlogs, you'll see how far we've come in a pretty short amount of time, and really the only spaces we have left are our dining area, our bathroom, a fireplace of some sort.
Fireplace, maybe. We're still debating this.
Let us
idea.
know what you think. Should we do it? It's kind of a headache, but I think it's worth it. So let us know down below.
And we need a truck too.
And we need a truck, and there's a few other things that we want to do in here. We want to make sure that we have internet. We want to make sure that we have clean water. There's a lot of little things that aren't as exciting.
We're still learning.
that
We're
we really
learning
need
as we
to
go.
dive into, but then we can hit the road. We're so excited. So thank you so much for being part of this journey. It means the world to us. It's been keeping us accountable because there's a lot of late nights, a lot of early mornings, and I can assure you, if it wasn't for this vlog, we would probably be going at a much slower pace.
It really does help. I agree.
So we appreciate you so much, and all the encouragement and comments. I'm not even joking. It's just such an awesome community, and it's the best part of this whole thing, so thank you for being a part of it. So make sure to visit us next week because we'll have more huge renovations because this next one we're planning on is huge. Have a great week.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I'm not a ball. Oh no, paint on my face.